Hello programmers. Today we will solve a new string problem, and in this string problem first we see that input and output. The input is capital R, small a, capital M, small n and small a, and our expected output is small r, capital A, small m, capital A, capital N, capital A. What the means? This means that we convert the given type to the given type. It means that if the given type is in a string, if any letter, any character is capital letter, then we need to convert in small letter. If any character is small character, then we need to convert it capital character. How can we convert? First think that what is the ASCII value of small a? Small a ASCII value is 97 and capital A ASCII value is 65. What is the difference between small a ASCII value and capital A ASCII value? The difference is 32. If we do the minus, then we get that 32. It means that if we convert, if this is a smaller case, then we need to add 32, and if this is a capital character, then we need minus 32. So let's go to the program and try to understand. Create the new folder, and in the string package get the name convert character and take the main method implicitly. Now think that our string is equal to small a for our better understanding, and our expected output we store in a string. For this reason we need another string s1 equals to, this is a empty string, and we do that a for loop for int I equals to 0. Why I equals to 0? I equals to 0 because the index starts from 0, and in this for loop I indicate that the index value, and I less than s dot length, and I plus s dot length return that how many characters are present in the string. So we start from 0. For this reason we not use equal to here. If we start from 1, then we need to equal to here, but our index is start from 0. So in here we check that the character is, so take a character char c equal to s dot index I. With the help of this line we take that index of 0. First take that index of 0 character, which means first a, then when I value is 1, then the second a, then third a, like this. It means that in this s we store that character which is present in index number I. So now we check that the character is in smaller letter or in capital letter. So how can we check if it is a smaller letter? If character is greater than equal to small a, and if the character is less than or equal to small z, it means that it's always compare with the ASCII value. It's take the ASCII value and compare with the a ASCII value. First character is a, then is check that if the character is greater than or equal to a, yes, the ASCII value of A is equal to ASCII value of C, and then check that the character is less than Z. Yes, this is also less than Z. So now we think that our character is a small letter. Then how can we convert? Then we need to convert in a upper caste letter. So C minus 32. Why 32? Because the difference of the ASCII value between the smaller a and capital A is 32. And if you can take that small v ASCII value is 98, and take that small a, small capital B, the capital B ASCII value is 66. The difference between the same character ASCII value of smaller letter, smaller character and capital character is 32. For this reason, if we do convert smaller character to capital character, then we need minus 32, and if we convert upper caste to lower caste, then we need to add 32. And in here we store in another variable char c1 equals to, now this is a integer value, so we need to downcast because this is represent the ASCII value of the character and we do the minus, so we need downcasting. Now we store this in here and we write that S1 plus equal to C1. In here, in this line, we add, this means that S1 equal to S1 plus C1. In here, we add S1 is an empty string. In this empty string, we add the C1. And when is the next time we add S1 plus C1, it means the before C1 plus new C1. And this is our condition of if the character is a lower caste. If the character is upper caste, then what? So we check that. Else means if the character is smaller caste, then this condition is run. Else means if in a string, if the condition is not a smaller letter, then it is definitely a upper caste. So if upper caste, what we do? We do char c1 equals to, in here also downcasting, C is char C. What is C? C is this, in this index, I index, which character is present, this is C. C plus 32. Why plus? Because if we convert capital A to small a, then we need to plus, because difference is 32. If we do plus from capital, then we get the smaller letter ASCII value. And in here we convert with the help of downcasting integer to character, and in here we store that in S1 plus equal to C1, and after the loop we need to print the S1. So let's check that our program is worked properly or not. In here our expected output is all are capital A. There is missing match where in here this is index. This is a method name is index of operator. Sorry for my mismatch. Is dot character index of, not index of, but wrong man. S equal to C equal to S dot character at. Character at, yes, this is the right. Sometimes I forget all the methods because in string class many methods are present. The character at method is written that in the given index which character is present. So let's check. Yes, you can see that we get our expected output because all are in smaller letter, and this is all we get the capital letter. So we now check that our given input. You can see that we need to run second times. Yes, see, now you can see that smaller, there is a capital R and we get smaller. Okay, now we get capital A, and in here we have a small a. There is a capital M, we get small m. There is also capital A N A, and in here also A N A is small. So we get the proper output. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's see you in another video.